Now today we will see from question number 10 to question number 20 onwards. Question number 10 onwards you can see. It's clear? So here there are some special products. For example, you can see question number 17. Question number 17, first part. It is 2p plus 3q. And in the other bracket, it is what? 4p square minus 6pq plus 9q square. It's clear. So how will you do this question? So you can see here. We will not do like this, as I told, that you multiply 2p with all the terms of this bracket and then 3q with all the terms of this bracket and then simplify. Here we will use this formula. If you see this, then you know that 4p square is the whole square of 2p. 9q square is the whole square of 3q. And 6pq is the product of 2p and 3q. It's clear? Means you can rearrange the term and you can write it as 2p plus 3q. In the other bracket, you can write in the other bracket 2p whole square minus 2p into 3q plus 3q into ka whole square. It's clear? In the other bracket, you will get this. You have rearranged the term. Now there is one formula. You know here, as you know that a plus b in one bracket, a square minus ab plus b square. It is equal to how much? A cube plus b cube. It's clear? Here we can apply this formula. It is exactly like the same way. Here in place of a there is 2p, in place of b there is 3q. So other will be, it will become a square minus ab plus b square, which is equal to a cube plus b cube. What is in place of a? In place of a, we can see there is 2p, and in place of b there is 3q. So on using this formula, what will happen? It will become 2p ka whole cube plus 3q ka whole cube. 2p whole cube means multiply 2p how many times? 3 times. 2p into 2p into 2p. So it will be equal to 8p cube plus 27q cube. It's clear? So by this way we can do this. It's clear? We will not do this way, that multiply 2p with all the terms and 3q with all the terms. It's clear? We will not do by that way. We will use the special products, formula of special products. It is clear? Now you can see one more question. Question number 15, second part. Question number 15, second part. Here it is 5 minus 2x into 5 plus 2x into 25 plus 4x square. It's clear? In one bracket 5 minus 2x, in the other bracket 5 plus 2x, in the third bracket 25 plus 4x square. If we see these two brackets, it looks like a minus b into a plus b. And what is a minus b into a plus b? Who can tell? A minus b into a plus b. Ali Ayan, what will be A minus B into A plus B?
Sir, a square minus 2ab plus b square.
No, it is not. It is A minus B into A plus B, A square minus B square. A square minus B square. The formula which you have, the expression which you have told, that is of A minus B ka whole square. Here it is A minus B into A plus B. So it will be A square minus B square. It is the difference of two perfect squares. So see here, what is in place of A here? Rishabh Rastogi. What is in place of A here? Aditya Bajpayee. What is in place of
5.
A?
5.
What is in place of B?
Minus 2x.
Not minus 2x. It is 2x. You can see here. A के place पर A, minus के place पर minus, and B के place पर 2x. So here in place of A there is 5 and in place of B there is 2x. So these two brackets will become this. So you write down, it will be 5 ka whole square minus 2x whole square. These two brackets you have written in this way. This is the third bracket, 25 plus 4x square. When you will simplify, it will become 25 minus 4x square. 25 plus 4x square. Once again, it is the same. A minus B, A plus B. A minus B, A plus B. It is clear? So, then Manjot, what will be A minus B into A plus B? It is equal to A square minus B square. What is in place of A?
25.
And what is in place of B?
4x square.
It's 4x square. So when you will write this, what will you write here?
25 का square minus
25 का whole square minus
4x square का whole square.
yes. Very good. So this will be equal to 625 minus 16x to the power 4. This way you can simplify. It's clear? I am taking one more question here. I am taking different questions. You can see here. Here question number 14, second part. This is 3x plus y minus 3x minus y minus 5. You have to simplify using special products. If you see in both the bracket, one bracket is this and the other bracket is this. If you see in both the brackets, the terms are same, only they are differing in the sign. 3x, 3x, y, y, 5, 5. Now you find out those terms which are having same sign in both the brackets. वो कौन से टर्म हैं जिनका साइन दोनों ब्रैकेट में सेम है? तन्वी.
3x and 5.
3x and 5.
5.
Both having the same sign here. So you write them together. You write them together. 3x minus 5 plus y. This is the first bracket. 3x minus 5 minus y. It is the second bracket. You have rearranged the terms. In both the brackets, you have rearranged the terms. Now you take this 3x minus 5 as a. It's clear? You take it as A. Let 3x minus 5 equals to A. So what will be this? This will become A plus Y, and in the other bracket A minus Y. Vedika, what will be
Yes,
A
sir.
plus A minus Y?
3x plus y.
No, first you tell in these terms A and Y. A plus Y into A minus Y. It will be equal to A square minus
Ay.
Namra.
Sir, a square minus y square.
Yes, very good. A square minus Y square. It is just like this formula. You can see here. A plus B into A minus B equals to this. What is in place of A? 3x minus 5 whole square minus Y whole square. I am writing on the next page. Here you will get 3x minus 5 whole square minus Y square. Now, how can you simplify this? Who can tell?
Sir,
Yes, tell me.
9 square minus 25.
What will you
Sir,
write?
a square minus b square.
No, it's not correct.
Sir, a square minus b square plus 2ab.
A square minus B square plus 2AB, that is also not correct.
A square minus 2ab plus b square.
Yes, that is correct. Which formula you will apply? A minus B whole square. It is equal to A square minus 2AB plus B square. What is in place of A? What is in
3x.
place of
3x.
in
3x
place
square.
of B? In place of B, it is 5. So 3x square minus 2 into 3x into 5 plus 5 square minus y square. Simplify.
square.
9x square minus 2 3 6 5 30x plus 25 plus minus y square. This will be the answer. Here answer will be this. It is clear? Now
Yes,
see
sir.
here. After this, question number 21 you can. Question number 21. Here you have to find coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square and x square and so first you know what is the meaning of coefficient of x square coefficient. So you see here, this is an algebraic expression. This is written an algebraic expression. It's a coefficient of x square means the number which is associated with x square with sign, including sign. So what is the coefficient of x square here? 9. What is the coefficient of x here? Minus 30.
30.
Not only 30, it is minus 30. What is coefficient of y square?
Minus 1.
Coefficient of y square is no number means minus 1. What is the constant term? Constant term means which is free from x and y. So it is 25. It is 25. Suppose I am writing this expression. 4x cube minus 9x square plus 2x minus 3. What is coefficient of x cube?
4.
Coefficient of x cube is 4. Coefficient of x square is minus 9. Coefficient of x is 2. And
2.
what is constant term? It is minus 3. It's clear? So coefficient means the number including sign. The number including sign. If there is no number, then it will be taken 1. So you can see here you have to find the coefficient. So first you simplify. It is x minus 3 into x plus 7. X minus 3 into x plus 7 into x minus 4. So how will you do? We will do like this. You see here x minus 3 you keep in one bracket. This you multiply x into the bracket. X into x minus 4 plus 7 into x minus 4. Now simplify further. X minus 3. X into x. X square minus 4x plus 7x minus 28. So x minus 3. It is x square minus 4x plus 7x plus 3
Plus 3x.
minus 28. After that, what will happen? We will do the same thing. X will be multiplied with this whole. X square plus 3x minus 28 minus 3 x square plus 3x minus 28. So x into x square, it is x cube. X
cube.
X square minus 28x. Then you can see here. Here there is the negative sign before the bracket. Before this bracket, there is a negative sign. Therefore, on opening the bracket, sign will be changed. So it will be minus 3x square minus 9x plus 84. Sign will be changed. It will become minus, minus, and this will become plus. Now simplify x cube. 3x square minus 3x square cancel. Means it is 0 into x square. Minus 28x minus 9x. Who will tell? Minus 28x and minus 9x.
37x. Minus 37x.
Who can tell?
minus 37x.
Smita, what will be this? Minus 28x minus 9x. क्या नाम है? अक्षांश. So it will be equal to minus 37x plus 84. So what is coefficient of x square? It is equal to 0. What is coefficient of x? It
Minus
is
37.
What is coefficient of x cube? Who can tell? Coefficient of x cube.
1.
Audio is reaching.
Yes, sir.
Audio is reaching or not? So it is equal to 1. You see the question number 23. You have to find the value of 101 whole square. How will you do? You write it as 100 plus 1.
One
The
का
whole square. How will you do? You will write 100 plus 1 ka whole square.
whole square.
Here it is 100. And then you will apply the formula. A plus B whole square. 1003. What will you write? 1000 plus 3. 10.2. How will you write? 10.2. 10 plus 0.2. Similarly, in the next question, 99 whole square, you can write 100 minus 1. Going to do from question number 26. Question number 26, you can see. Here it is given 2a minus b plus c equals to 0. And you have to prove 4a square minus b square plus c square plus 4ac equals to 0. This you have to prove. PPT. How will you do? You can see here. Now see here. 2a minus b plus c equals to 0. This thing is given. And you have to prove this. So you see this expression which you have to prove. This expression which you have to prove. It is having all the terms in square. It is having all the terms in square. Okay. So what will you do? First you will start from given 2a minus b plus c equals to 0. So what will be 2a plus c? It will be equals to b. Now what will you do? You will do the square or you will do the cube? We will do the square or we will do the cube. What will you do? Answer me. So here we will do the square. On squaring both sides. On squaring both sides. That is 2a plus c whole square equals to b square. Now you open it by which formula? It can be opened by using a plus b whole square. That is a square plus b square plus ab. Shraddha, what is in place of a here?
2a.
Here, what is in place of a?
2a plus b. 2a plus c.
Of a there is 2a, and in place of b there is c.
C.
There is a in place of b there is c. So see here 2a whole square plus c whole square plus 2 into 2a into c equals to b square. I'm simplifying it. 4a square equals to b square. Means 4a square minus b square plus c square plus 4ac equals to 0. You have to, it's clear. Now see one more question here. Question number. Here, what will you do in this question? Question number 27. Here, it is a plus b plus 2c equals to 0. And you have to prove a cube plus b cube plus 8c cube equals to 6abc. This you have to prove. So, given thing is this is given and this you have to prove. So you start from here. A plus b equals to minus 2c. Now see here the expression which you have to prove is having all the terms in cube. Therefore, what will you do? On cubing both sides. When you will cube both the sides, a plus b whole cube, that is minus 2c whole cube. So it will be equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab within bracket a plus b. And minus 2c whole cube equals to what? It will be equal to minus 2c into minus 2c into minus 2c. Minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus. Minus 8c cube. Now you write down in place of a plus b, you write down minus 2c. So it is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into minus 2c equals to minus 8c. Now see here, you have to bring in this way. So you bring minus 8c cube in this side. A cube plus b cube plus 8c cube. This is minus 6abc, so you take in that side equals to 6abc. Hence proved. This way it is proved. So similarly in 28 also you will do the cube and then divide by ABC. What will you do? Do the cube, is clear, and then you will divide by ABC. This is for question number 28. But first you will write a plus b equals to minus c. A plus b equals to minus c. Question number 29, you will do the cube. Now see the question number 30. 30th question you can see here. Here you have to evaluate without calculating the cube. So this is very simple. Plus minus 17 whole cube plus minus 10 whole cube. This you have to evaluate. without calculating the Q. So there is a formula. If A cube plus if A plus B plus C equals to 0, then A cube plus B cube plus C cube will be equal to 3ABC. This is the formula. Now if you compare this thing from here, what will you get? In place of A 27, in place of B minus 17, and in place of C minus 10. So what is A plus B plus C? 27 plus minus 17 plus minus 10 equals to 0. So therefore formula will be applicable. Therefore 27 whole cube minus 17 whole cube plus minus 10 whole cube equals to 3 into 27 into minus 17 into minus 10. So further you can do the multiplication. Multiplication you can do. It's clear? So multiplication I am not doing here. How will you do question number 31? Who can tell? Question number 31. Here question number 31 is 86 into 86 into 86 plus 14 into 14 into
Sir, in question number 31, we will do A cube plus B cube is equals to A plus B. In another bracket, A square minus AB plus B square.
you have to simplify. So you take let 86 equals to E, 14 equals to B. So it will become A into A plus B into B into B divided by A into A minus A into B plus B into B. That is A cube plus
B cube upon A
B
square
square.
minus AB plus B square.
Now you write the factorization of A cube plus B cube. So it is in one bracket A plus B. In the other A square minus AB plus B square. Minus AB plus B. So this and this will be cancelled. What will you get? A plus B. So it is 86 plus 40. That is equal to, it will be equal to 100. It is equal to 100.